As you can see, this bearing is very worn. We have produced a kit to replace it. First we need to knock out the old bearings. I recommend cutting 2 slots in a piece of wood, then using a hammer and socket simply knock out the old bearings. To remove the outer race, cover with a cloth and clamp in a vise. This will crack the bearing. Now we need to grind through the inner race. The best way to do this is with a bench grinder. If you do not have one, you can use a Dremel or a drill with a grindstone tool. Here you can see we have ground off the top flange and made 2 flats on the old inner race. Next, clamp in a vise and work off the old bearing. We need to drill a hole for the bolt to go through the hub. Mark where you want to drill using a centre punch. Then we drill a hole using a 3mm drill as a pilot, followed by a 4mm drill. It is important to use a lubricant to keep the drill bit cool. To fit the new bearing, we recommend using a vise and socket to push in the bearing. If a vise is unavailable, it can be knocked in using a hammer. To ensure the bearing is held securely, you can use a centre punch to pin the edge of the casing. To finish, we can now assemble all of the parts, making sure to fit a washer under the nut and using the picture at the end of the video as a guide. To see more products and useful videos, please subscribe.